Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix mouse double-clicking on single click. All right, let's begin. First, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager and open it. Click the drop-down arrow next to Mice and Other Pointing Devices, right-click your mouse, select Uninstall Device, and press Uninstall. If you see multiple mice listed, uninstall all of them. After that, disconnect your mouse, plug it back in, and check if the issue is fixed. If the problem continues, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Select Bluetooth and Devices, scroll down and click Mouse. Open Additional Mouse Settings and lower the double-click speed to about 1/4. Then go to Pointer Options and disable Enhance Pointer Precision. Click Apply and OK. Next, open File Explorer, click the three dots at the top and open Options. Under Click Items as follows, select Single Click to open an item, then apply the changes. If the mouse still double-clicks, there may be dust inside the buttons. Firmly press each button for about 10 seconds, click rapidly to loosen it, and clean around the buttons with a cloth. So that's basically how you can fix mouse double-clicking on single click. That's it for this video. Thanks.